Hi, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and save it as a picture file that you can then upload into Google Forms to put as part of a question that you're asking. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open the snipping tool in Windows. So if you come down here to the search bar next to the little Windows menu and you just start typing in snipping, you'll see that the app comes up for the snipping tool. So I'm going to click on that and my little menu comes up. There's different ways that you can do this. If you switch the mode over here, you can do a free form where you can just drag like a circle or a shape that you want to capture the image of. You can capture an entire window, so I could capture this whole Microsoft Word window. Or if I do the full screen, it would be my entire screen. Right now, rectangular is what's selected, so that's what I'm going to use because I'm thinking that would probably be the most helpful for you if you're trying to capture a problem that you've written out in Word that you want the students to try to solve, or if it's shapes that you've drawn for geometry or whatever it is exactly that you're trying to do. All right, so once I have the mode selected, and again, I'm sticking with rectangular here, you want to then click on oops, sorry, I guess clicking on that did it too. So if you click here on rectangular, or if you click on new, you see my screen kind of gets grayed out, and I have the little plus sign here where I can then draw my rectangle of the area of the screen I want to capture. And then it comes up for me in its own little window here. I'm going to come to File then, and I'm going to go Save As. And I'm just going to plop it on my desktop. And right now it just named it Capture, so I'm just going to leave it at that because that's fine. The PNG type of file will work for what I'm trying to do, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And I'm just going to hit Save. And now I can close this snipping tool window. And then I can go into my Google Forms. I have to add a question here in my form, and then I can type here, answer the question pictured below, or whatever it is you want to type in. That's probably going to be way more meaningful than what I'm saying here. And then there's two different ways you can add in the image. You see a little picture pops up. If I move my mouse over here, this little icon comes up. But it's also available over here on the right on this vertical menu here to add an image. So I'm going to click on Insert Image. It's defaulting here to being able to upload something from my computer. So I'm just going to go to Browse. I'm going to go back to my desktop. Here is the file that I named Capture. I'm going to upload that file. And then it is going to put the image in there for me. But actually, I don't think I wanted to do it that way because that just gives me the image itself. I'm going to delete that. I think what I want to do is scratch that idea of using this one. Sorry about that. And we're going to do this little image here instead that is next to the text that I typed in, because I think that when I tested it out earlier, I'm going to come back here, come back to capture. I think here is where it let me, yes, have my text here saying answer, and then add in the picture of the screenshot, and then I can change my question type here if I want it to be where the students would just type in their response, or if I wanted to keep it as multiple choice, or change it to a short answer, whatever you want to do there. Anyway, hope this helps, and hope that answers what you were looking to do. If not, let me know, and we'll try to figure something else out. Thanks.